language is an issue, and the word count reductions are also another huge challenges when it comes to finalizing your manuscripts, especially in the abstracts. Not just the abstracts, even for entire papers, we could have word count limits set by the journals, and doing this could be a bit tricky. So that is where the next few tools can help you. So one other place where you could make use of these tools is in paraphrasing. So what is paraphrasing? It's your antidote to plagiarism. So plagiarism is copy pasting content as it is or in different ways. So copying content without attributing the credits is known as paraphrasing. Sometimes plagiarism can also happen accidentally because there are only so many different ways in which you can write certain sentences. So even despite your better efforts to paraphrase it, some of the sections are left behind as they are, and this leads to plagiarism when you put your manuscript through plagiarism detection tools like Turnitin or Authenticate. This is where paraphrasing the text properly. So in science, only when the idea and the words are yours, you don't have to cite. In all the other cases, when the idea belongs to someone else, pick it up, use your own words to describe the idea, but still you are expected to include the reference. The first tool that can help you to paraphrase, help you check the language of your content, help you summarize, minimize, reduce word count is called Quillbot. And Quillbot has been is quite popular. It's there when the AI tools that are most used are listed out. I think Quillbot is somewhere on the fourth or fifth place, pretty close to ChatGPT and Midjourney. So this tool can do a lot more than just paraphrase. When you look at the left panel, you see all the different functionalities this tool has. But among them, this is a great tool for summarizing and paraphrasing. So another tool that can help you with language, especially in conversions between formal language and casual language, is called WordTune. The WordTune interface has gone a huge change at the moment. WordTune has also included a lot of AI features to it. WordTune originally was also an AI tool, but now there's a lot of Gen AI features added to WordTune. So where do you actually need these conversions from casual to formal tone and vice versa? It is when some journals want you to give a formal abstract and also give a casual or a informal summary that can go on to their social media pages. Some journals want you to give a Twitter quote. Twitter, now famously renamed as X, but still we tend to call it a Twitter quote. And when such requirements arise, or say, for instance, you have a very specific paper that has to be summarized in less technical language for presenting your content to committees, for instance, for your evaluation committees. Not all of them are experts in your field. So it is necessary that you communicate your science in a much simpler language. In such cases, this tool can come in handy. So Trinka is another tool that can help you with grammar and writing. Trinka is also a place where you can access plagiarism check using Turnitin and Authenticate for a much lower price than if you had to go ahead and buy the uh, by the software themselves. So if you do not have institutional access to such plagiarism software, you can subscribe to Trinka and use the plagiarism check functionality that comes inbuilt with Trinka. But be aware that the plagiarism check functionality can be used only a few times. If you want to use it for much more documents, then you have to buy extra credits. But even then, I guess that will definitely come to a cost much lesser than the original softwares. Trinka has a tie-up with these softwares to check your manuscripts and provide reports. Yeah, and one other good thing about Trinka is that they have these instructional videos right within the site, which teach you how to use the different functionalities. So this video in particular is about how to use Trinka as a citation checker. So Trinka checks your citations for accuracy to see if you have added too many old citations, or if you have cited too many papers from a single journal, or if you have done a lot of self citations where you have cited papers from your own research groups. All these can be detected by Trinka, and you get a report which tells you which citations are okay, which have problems, and then you can go ahead and revise them. So Writeful is again a tool that is similar to Grammarly, It can sit within your MS Word. You can have the plugin. Writeful also does your grammar corrections. It does paraphrasing. It does summarizing. In addition, there is this nice feature on Writeful called title generator. So once you are done writing your manuscript and your abstract, you can use the abstract as an input to create your working titles. And once you have 7, 8 good title templates, you don't have to necessarily use them as they are, but work on these templates to further refine them and come up with nice titles for your documents, be it journal articles or otherwise.